Now we'll see the next part our. See here in that one you want to go for the next part will be the finding the square root of a given number. See in your textbook I am showing that is how to find out the square root. You know the square number. If you multiply the any number 2 times, means here see I am showing 3 multiplied by 3 will get a 3 square. 3 square means we'll get here answer 9. Then this is called as a square. If you multiply 7 multiply by 7, that will get 7 raised to 2. That is a 7 square will get here 49. Then here at the side they are asked here find out the square root. Square root means what? See here you know this 7 square is a 49. Means in the square root you want to find out 49 is a square of which number? That will be called as a square root. See this will be square root sign is there. See here they are given one sign. This sign is called as a square root sign. Here see this sign is called as a square root sign. Here I am showing. See under root 9 they are given. This is a under root 9 means here you want to find out 9 is a square of which number. That answer will get here 3. Again under root 49 if they ask, then you want to find out 49 is a square of which number. That will get here 7 as an answer. Then our next part is you want to find out the square root of a number using our factor method. See you already studied the HCF and LCM lesson. That time you know it how to find out their factors. See here they ask here find the square root of 144. Means here you want 144 is a square of which number. And here see I written here one vertical column you want to make. That is a 144. You want to find out their factors. See here 144 is a even number. Therefore I can start with a 2. Then 2 7 means 7 2s are 14 will come. 2 2s are 4 72. Again it will be factorize with a 2. What will come? 36 2s are 72 will come. Again 36 factor will come here. 18 2s are. Again 18 factors will come here. 2 9s are. Again see 9 number is not a even number. That time it is an odd number. Then 9 is a divisible by 3. Then you can start with a 3. Then 3 3s are 9 will get. Then here see 2 2s. How many groups are here? 2 2s I am getting here 2 groups. And a 3 1 group I am getting here. Then this number you can write in the form of factors. And afterwards see for this 2 you want to remove 1 2. For this 2 you want to remove 1 2. And for this 3 you want to remove 1 3. And that will gives here 2 2s are 4 4 3s are 12. Means under root 144 answer will get here 12. Then this way you can find out the factors of or square root of that number. Then here I am showing our practice set number 30 how to solve here. See in the practice set number 30, here you want to find out the square root of using our factorization method. See first question they ask here, you want to find out the factors of 625. See 625 is at a unit place 5 is there. Then here I can factorize using our 5. See here if I divide with this 625 by 5, I am getting here 125. Again this 125 you can divide with the 5 will get 25. Again you divide this 25 by 5 will get here 5. And 5 ones are 5. Then here see you are getting 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 4 times. Then under root you can write this 5 into 5 into 5. And here you make the group of this 2 number, that is a 5 5 1 group, 5 5 1 group, and you write it in the square root bracket. And afterwards when you remove this bracket, means when you remove this square root, then that time for this 2 5 you want to take only 1 5. For this 2 5 you want to take only 1 5. That is 5 5s are 25 will be the square root of 625 will get. Again if you take any big number, see here I am showing one number, that is a 4096 factor you want to find out. See this is a even number. This even number means you want to factorize, you can start with a 2. Then see here you can factorize using our 2. And here see we'll get a you can divide 4096 by 2 will get a 2048. Again you can divide with the 2. And here see all even number will get, that time you can divide with the 2. And here see I am getting here that factor will be the very long. Then that factor you can write under the root. And here you can make the group of 2 numbers. And when you are removing this square root bracket, that time see for this 2 you take 1 2. For this 2 you can take 1 2. For this 2 you can take 1 2. Means here you want to make the group of 2 numbers. And when you are removing the square root sign, that time for this two number you want to take only one number, and that will gives the answer. Means here square root of 4096 you are getting here 64. Or you take one more example, that is a 1089. See, this 1089 is a not divisible by 2. Then here when you add sum of the digit, you are getting this number will be divisible by 3. Therefore I started with a 3. I am getting here 363. Again this number you can divide with by 3, will get 121, and you know it, 121 is a square root of 11. Then 11 ones are 11. Here 11 11s are 121 you are getting, and you will get here factor 33 and 11 11. Then that you write in under the square root sign, and for this 3 you can take 1 3, and for this 11 you take 1 11. Means 3 11s I will get here 33 as an answer. Then using this way you can find the square root by factorization method. And in your textbook, see, they are given some solved example that you can solve it, as well as they are given here one more method, that is a division method also they are given for your understanding. Some number you can't find using our factorization method, that square root, that time you can use this division method, and they are given some solved example also here. Then this is about our lesson number 6, that is indices.